What if the biggest disruption from AI isn't job loss, but a profound redefinition of what work means? Not because machines become conscious, but because they force us to ask, what is uniquely human? Spoiler, consciousness isn't on the roadmap, and that's actually good news. Let's be clear, no existing AI is conscious. Not ChatGPT, not Gemini, not even the most advanced frontier models. They're statistical pattern engines, brilliant at predicting the next word, but unaware they're doing it. Neuroscience tells us consciousness likely arises from embodied, self-sustaining biological systems with subjective experience, memory integration, and goal-directed autonomy. AI has none of that. It doesn't want, fear, or wonder. It optimizes. But here's where it gets real. Even without consciousness, AI is reshaping labor at lightning speed. Routine cognitive tasks, legal document review, radiology triage, code debugging, customer support routing are being automated not by robots, but by augmentation tools. A paralegal now uses AI to surface relevant precedents in seconds, then spends her day crafting argument strategy, the part machines can't do. A radiologist reviews 300 scans with AI flagging anomalies, then focuses on complex cases and patient counseling. The future isn't mass unemployment, it's task transformation. McKinsey estimates 30% of work hours in the U.S. economy could be automated by 2030, but 90% of jobs will change, not disappear. The premium shifts to skills AI can't replicate: empathy, ethical judgment, creative synthesis, cross-cultural negotiation, and meaning-making. A nurse's job won't vanish, but the AI-powered EHR that auto-documents visits gives her 2 extra hours per shift to sit with a grieving family. The real risk isn't superintelligence, it's misplaced anxiety. We're pouring energy into hypothetical AI rights while ignoring urgent issues: worker retraining access, data dignity, and who owns the value AI helps create. Why should a warehouse worker displaced by logistics AI get severance, while the engineer who built it gets equity? New models are emerging: Germany's co-determination, tech councils, California's proposed AI profit-sharing pilots, and worker-owned data co-ops. This is our moment not to fear AI, but to reclaim human purpose, to build economies where work isn't just income, but contribution, where AI handles the predictable so we can focus on the profound. If you're thinking deeply about technology, ethics, and what it means to thrive in the 21st century, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Tap the bell icon for our latest on AI innovation, where we explore not just what's possible, but what's right. Because the future of labor isn't written in code. It's written in choices, and we still get to make them.